Hello everyone, this is Technology Consultant channel and I'm Sam. Here we are with another video. In this video, we'll teach you how to fix Google Chrome error this site can't be reached. So we'll open Google Chrome. Here we'll open a site and you will see such kind of error. This site can't be reached. So this error appears usually when government blocks any site. You are trying to access that site. You will see this error, this site can't be reached. So how you can sort out this issue? First of all, you have to click on these three dots, click on history and then click on clear browsing data, and from here you have to click on advanced and then you have to select the first three options: browsing history, cookies and site data, cache images and files. And then you have to select the time range. Here you can see the time range option. Select all time. Click on clear data. Click on clear data. So here you can see clear browsing data. Click on OK, got it. Now you have to minimize this one and you have to download and install Turbo VPN. The VPN link is given in the video description. After opening the VPN, then you have to click on Connect tab. Click on OK. Now you have to wait for a while. So once you will be connected to the VPN, you have to minimize the VPN. Open Google Chrome again. Type here the same site again. Now you have to wait for a few moments. So you can see the site is now successfully opened. Now we can access this site. So in the same way, you can also fix this site can't be reached error. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel for more useful videos.